Kublai pi baro, ngip liang so bhai pi shakatup kubor mataka jan mid. Shwaban pash ki kubor ki babnya ngenya pet shwai ki mat bakong san. Kashai kasni on penlong ya kabinta ka baar jong ka jing thep vote jong ka election shaka yeng dorbar thau an ka Gujarat. La penya di ka jing pen kre knang ban penlong ya ka jing thep vote ka ba yai be yai drinti. Penyaso ulam pang barim ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jenlau 18 mondal bat ka NPP on yakon na Phulbari constituency hak election shaka yeng dorbar thau an ka jenla ka ban long house nem arhajar arthulai. Play pajba Ministry rangba ka jenla Konrad Sangma ya ka Maternal and Child Health MCH Hospital ka basispa ajingthia hapana liar bat ong ba on penlut ka sarkar palat arspa san folklor tingka ban kentil ya kijingte hakabia dei baka kwat kathia. Bat on yakun persya ka France ka Poland menta kasi bat England persya ya ka Senegal haka limpung FIFA World Cup. Ki khubor ki babdia la shai ka sngi on penlong ya ka binta ka baar jong ka jing thep vote jong ka election shaka yeng dorbar thau an ka Gujarat kane ka jing thep vote kan long na ka binta ki khandai phulai tali ki constituency ha ki khat south tali ki district ka bakin thup ya ka Ahmedabad Vadodara bat Gandhinagar nadu ka por prabaje min step hadu san baje janmit ladan hadu praspa lai phulai ngot ki kertong ki banya khon ha ka de ka binta ka bakin thup ya andriup khandai ngot ki kenthei Kajing nyau vote jong baro artli ki benta kan long haka pratarik uno pra. Ka election commission ka ladep ban penkre ya baro kijing donkam khnang bagane ka election kan long ka bayai be ya rinti. Ladan palat arfun riutli ki jaka thep vote ha baro ki district. Haka jo ka por u chief electoral officer jong ka te gejella ola kerpat ikinong thep vote ki badon hasor bakin yami rinti haka ne kijing thep vote. Ulampang barim ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla u Abu Tahir Mondal ula sha jiet kum kertong ke NPP ban yakon na Phulbari constituency ha ka election sha ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla ka ban salong house nem arhajar arphulai Menteri rangba ka jilla u Konrad Sangma u badeidu u national president ke NPP ula pen bana yakani ha ka jingelang ka blalong ha ka office trekam jong ka seng hanong ba shalom bat pediang sngau bha ya u Mondal sha ka seng Umondal ulami bujli hakajaka jong MLA barim baminta u S matur mominit u Konrad ulaong bakajingwan yaso ka jong umondal syaka seng om tangba kan yarap ya ka Phulbari Henry ya baro ki constituency bamarjan.
The national president of the National People's Party, that Shri A.T. Mondal will be the candidate of the National People's Party in the coming 2023 elections for the Phulbari constituency.
And our endeavor will be to ensure that we get maximum seats all over the state. But as I always say in every statement of mine, elections are not easy. You cannot predict and you cannot take things for granted. You have to work hard, you have to have a very strong mindset.
Ka sarkar jilla kan penlut palat arspa san folklor tingka ban kentiu yaki jingtei hak biade bat ka kwat ka khia hak jilla hak ba spa san folklor tingka kan dei na benta bantei yaki lai spa tali ki sub center hak leng jilla haba pen bana yakane hak jing play pat ba ya ka maternal and child health MCH hospital ka ba spa jingthia hapana liar jowai hinin kasngi Menteri rangba ka jilla u Konrad Sangma u yaiban ba ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka trei shitom ban penbit penbiang yaki donkam haki jaka sumar na kabenta ki pajba. Hakane ke jinglet jingo ke jong u Konrad ula buru ya umau nongrim bante ya ke integrated development complex halat halabo jowai. Haka jinga don ringkat Menteri ketenat penroy sor usnyau bhalang dhar baru MLA ke jowai uba wailat miki shilla.
Close to 250 crores has been spent on different infrastructural work in the health sector, including 150 crores which has been earmarked for construction of 300 sub-centers, 12.5 crores which has been earmarked for 10 integrated public health laboratories, different critical care blocks, 47 crores.
Ka company 24/7 ka badan ya ka headquarter ha California kala play perda ya ka BPO facility ka bathamai ha Shillong Technology Park. La play perda ya ka ne da umintri rang ba ka jela u Conrad Sangma nen ka sngi kane ka state of art BPO facility ka badan South Park tali ki jaka shong ka tmu ban aikam palat arhajar sans pa ngut ki samla ki bana ka jela ha ki arsnem ki ban wan. Hakajing ai jing kren ka jong u Conrad ula yaro ya ka 24/7 ka blak kaner ya ki rukom trekam ki jong ka ha Meghalaya da ka babu ya ki South Park tali ki jaka shong ki bapaka. Ula benrap ba ka jing wan ra ya ki lat ai kam ai jam ya ki samla ka Meghalaya ka long ka badan kam kerki. Bat ka company kum ka 24/7 ka le ya ka benta ba kongsan. Ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka bapau hal yang ka teknologi ha ka perthai.
I would think that the overall the outcome that we would get from investment in any industry in terms of the benefit for the state, I think is highest in tourism, and I think second highest would be IT for us, which means that the per rupee we spend on the tourism sector and the per rupee that we'll spend on IT, the returns for the state in terms of employment creation will be much higher in these sectors compared to any other sector. So therefore, these are probably the most productive sectors for us as a state government.
Ka jingtrang jong ki ba ka Western Rib Hoy ka bahap hapo ka Jirang constituency kala Urlong. Ha ka ba umintri rang ba ka jela u Conrad Sangma Dangshen ula play ba ya ka Pathar Khma Civil Subdivision. La senran ya u Conrad ha ka sngi da u MLA ka Jirang constituency u ba Sostenes Sotun, u MLA ka Nongstone u ba Macmillan Birsat, u MDC ka Jirang u ba Victor Rani barki he sarkar. Haba ai jingkren ha ka sngi u Conrad ula ong ba ka jing play ka Civil Subdivision kan penyajan ya ki ba barki bor penyaj.
To ensure that we take administration closer to the people. I'm sure all of you will remember those times where you would have to travel for hours, and that time the roads were not as good as it is today. How difficult it was. And that's the reason why this government has decided that we will take the governance closer to the people.
Ka Jarain Sports Club kalayo ban ra ikanam ladu ha ka Limpung Open to All Knockout Football Tournament arhajar arpuar kabla penkot no nin ka sngi. Ha ka jinga kon final ka Jarain SC kalala ban penlim ya ka PHE 11 leng ba ka tie breaker. Ha ka jinga shoot tie breaker ka Jarain SC kalayo ban tep saukul. Kikul kat baka PHE 11 kalayo aban tep tang laitali. Ya kane ka Limpong la penyai da ka West Jaintia District Sports Association kom shi benta jong ka jing rakhe ka jong kai ka jing dap san postnem. Ha kane ka jing kon final lawan ban sakhi da working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshiyeng kom ukongsan. Ha ka Limpong yele kai FIFA Football World Cup kanongbat ya kanam ladu kata ka France kanya kun persya ya ka Poland menta ka sngi ha Al Tamuma Stadium Doha ha ka por Prashteng Janmit ha ka weipat ka jingya kun ka England kanya kun persya ya ka Senegal ha Al Bayat Stadium Al Khor ha ka por Khat Architeng Sinya ha ka jingya kun ka blalong hanin ka sngi ha Ahmad bin Ali Stadium ha Al Ryan ka Argentina kalala ban penlim no ya ka Australia da Alcor la iway bat yakini kikol na kabenta ka Argentina layo ban tap da Lionel Messi ha ka minute ka balay pusan bat u Julian Alvarez kat ba na kabenta ka Australia yakini ka Shiko layo ban tap da Enzo Fernandez ha ka minute ka ba nyaw punyaw mentapat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunmeneng ha Shillong kajing shit kalong arpo point iway degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong kandai point san degree Celsius kajing ngam ka haw kalong arpo na ka shispa min step ban riu pusaw na ka shispa janmit ka sun meneng kan rang ha ki babun ki jaka sa shisien pat ngipen kan maya phi ba yakani ka khubor jingi phila ban pet live ha ka YouTube channel bat ru phila ban pet yaki khubor ba man la ka sngi ha ka Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jong ka DD News Shillong Shwaban poy siya kapukot jong katuk kubor ng yapet biyang sa sisyen yikimat bakongsan. La syai kasngi on penlong ya kabenta ka baar jong ka jing tep vote jong ka election sya ka yeng dor bar tauan ka Gujarat la penya di ka jing pen krek nang ban penlong ya ka jing tep vote ka ba yai ben yai renti. Penyaso ulam phang barim ka yeng dor bar tauan ki jelau 80 mondel ba ke NPP on ya kon na Phulbari constituency ha ka election sya ka yeng dor bar tauan ki jella ka ban long house nem 8,000 at fulai. Play pajba Ministry rang ba ka jilla u Konrad Sangmaya ka Maternal and Child Health MCH Hospital ka basis pa ajing thia hapan aliar bat ong ba on penlut ka sarkar palat ars pa san phok lur tingka ban kintiri ki jingtei ha ka dei ba ka kwat ka khia. Bat on yakun persya ka France ka Poland menta ka si bat England persya ya ka Senegal ha ka limpong FIFA World Cup. Te parlok katung ila poy syaka pakut jong katuk kubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu bangin de syam biang bat pila syai kasngi kublei pi baro.